Seduce your specific person using only the power of your mind. Now, it doesn't matter if you're in no contact. It doesn't matter if you haven't met before. But remember, use this with caution and responsibility. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high. Like a big, beautiful eagle, we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. High flyers want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Find out what a mentoring program can mean for your life. The money you desire, the love you crave, the health and happiness you deserve. Lawofattractionsolutions.com. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the art of seducing someone using only the power of your mind. Now, the truth of the matter is we all do it. Okay, it's natural. Okay, mental seduction is natural and all human beings do it, but some know what they're doing. Some know the secret, and you're going to be one of those people after you watch this video. You see, remote seduction uses the power of your mind, the power of vibration and frequency. And isn't that what the law of attraction is all about? Vibration, frequency. Actually, the law of attraction, according to the late Bob Proctor, is a sub-law under the law of vibration. And the nice thing about this is that it doesn't matter if you are in contact with them or if you've never met them or if you're being ghosted. It really doesn't matter. You see, high flyers, remote seduction is a very focused form of telepathy. Now, for those of you who are thinking that telepathy isn't a real thing, here's a report that was finally released to the general public by the U.S. Department of Army in their study on remote viewing and telepathy. It's real and it works. You see, telepathy works through the use of the pineal gland, and it is filled with hundreds of thousands of microcrystals, calcite crystals. Now, if you don't believe me, look it up on Google. Find out for yourself. You'll be shocked that you literally have crystals, calcite crystals, in the center of your brain. These crystals emanate electricity, or it's called piezoelectricity, and it's a vibration. And it can be controlled. The frequency can change depending on the thoughts you think. In addition, the membrane of your brain is covered with hundreds of millions of crystals per gram. I mean, your whole brain is literally surrounded by crystals, and in the center of your brain is a plethora. I don't even know the total amount of crystals, but your brain is a transmitter and a receiver. And when you understand, see, the ancients understood the power of the mind, the power of the brain, but they didn't know the biology of it. They didn't know that there were physical crystals implanted within us and around our brain. It's phenomenal. It's fantastic. Our brain is literally a transmitter or a receiver for thoughts and feelings. Now, in the 3D world, we appear separate. You and your specific person appear to be separate, but that's not the way it is in quantum reality. In the quantum world, we are all intermingled. And so that allows you to connect with anybody in the quantum reality. And you can do that through what we call telepathy. Now, some people will say we're not really sending a message from point A to point B, but we are literally shifting micro timelines. I don't think it's important. All I know is it works. You see, what you create in the quantum field, in the quantum world, must manifest in the physical world, in the world of the 3D. Remote seduction does not diminish free will. Remote seduction communicates an idea or feeling to another person and magnetically draws them to you. Remote seduction creates a magnetic field. And so this magnetic field becomes so strong that it literally becomes attractive. It becomes attractive to your specific person and it draws them to you. They literally start going crazy over you. Remember, we're not violating free will because in the quantum reality, we are all one. So all you are doing, it sounds kind of crazy, but all you are doing is communicating or sending a message or a vibration to another aspect of yourself. So here's how to do it. Number one is focus on the feeling. Focus on the two of you holding each other, loving each other, looking into each other's eyes. Feel how incredible you feel holding your specific person, but also feel how wonderful they feel holding you, touching you, smelling you, kissing you, loving you. Feel the feeling. Focus on the feeling. Number two, zone out. Just completely block out any other thoughts so that when you are focusing on being intimate with your specific person and they are intimate with you and the two of you are in a state of bliss and love and joy and happiness, there is nothing else in your mind. And if something else comes into your mind, just ignore it and refocus your mind on that feeling of love and happiness and joy. Number three, involve as many senses as you possibly can. See it. See your specific person in your mind's eye. Feel them. Smell them. Taste them. Hear their voice. Hear them saying how much they enjoy being close to you, being intimate with you. After you're done with your meditation, write it out in a journal. Write out exactly what you experienced and what you felt so that every time you reread that journal, you're reactivating all that vibration. You're reactivating all those feelings and energy. And number five, make this a daily practice. Practice it every day. Don't hunger for results. The results will come. Just focus on the feeling. Focus on these 5 steps and do it every day, every single day. And you will be amazed all of a sudden when you least expect it. They'll be texting you or calling you or wanting to be with you. You see, as you do this, the first thing is you're going to start popping up into their mind more often. Then they're going to start having romantic, loving thoughts about you. And then it's going to become stronger and stronger until they just literally can't resist you. Now, here is a special meditation that you can practice every night to attract your specific person. Use this along with the exercise that I just shared with you. Here it is.